Welcome back to our channel, where we live, learn, and create. Get ready and sit tight as we reveal 4 more eyebrow-raising sneaky college and grad school tips and tricks to ace every class. Now let's get to it. Number 5, rewrite like a pro with paraphrasingtool.com. Tired of staring at the same paragraph? Spice up your writing with using paraphrasingtool.com. Simply input your paragraph, hit enter, and voila. You'll get a fresh and different way to express your thoughts. Impress your professors with your ability to present ideas in a unique way. Number 6, unleash the power of Grammarly.com. You've seen the ads. Invest in Grammarly.com, friends. This handy tool will become your writing companion, and it really works. Grammarly checks your content to ensure it meets the rigorous requirements of business school, catching grammar and spelling mistakes along the way. Plus, it has a plagiarism checker to save you from any unintentional academic mishaps. It's worth every penny. Number 7, choose your project group strategically. When it comes to group projects, don't just pick your buddies. Instead, select those classmates who consistently submit their work early or complete their discussions promptly, and learn something new from them. These overachievers are the ones you want on your team. They'll bring their A game and you'll shine together. Number 8, Chat GPT. Chat GPT is the full throttle of them all. This new AI-powered tool can do some amazing things. It's like having your own college or grad school assistant right at your hands. We mean really. What can't it do? You can ask ChatGPT to generate any information, and it pretty much will. It can break down the most complex information at the most basic entry level for you to better understand. This AI tool is trained to learn who you are, how you write and speak, and can generate information and produce written papers for you instantly. And as of 2023, the use of the tool is free at the entry level. However, understand this tool is still new to the market and has limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. Every answer and information it generates may not be 100% accurate. Check your facts. ChatGPT will help you up your stance in school, but we highly encourage you to make the information and material you discover your own, because some users argue that it does not reveal its sources. Use ChatGPT as a tool, but do not plagiarize, because more times than not, you will get caught. Beware, there are counter systems designed and currently being used by universities to track submitted college work produced by artificial intelligence. And remember, ChatGPT can never take a quiz, test, or an exam for you. So, level of effort to study and apply yourself is still required. So this wraps up part 2 of our sneaky college and grad school tips and tricks to ace every class. Apply these tactics wisely and watch your academic performance soar. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss out. And remember to live, learn, and create.